Hello everyone. Today we'll see a very famous trap with the white pieces and now we'll see. Starts with the move e4 controlling the center. So black plays same thing, plays symmetrical with the move e5. Now we'll play the move knight f3, attacking the pawn on e5. So black thinks that he has to protect this pawn, so playing knight c6. That it's some normal move. Bishop c4. Now we're going to the Italian opening. Now black playing d6 and his plan is to put the bishop on g4, playing queen d7, knight d4 and grand castle. If black can do this plan, white is in a very difficult position. Now the trap start now. Knight e3. Now we developing the queenside knight. So black continuing with his plan with bishop g4. Now very important move to um, to remember is to play the move h3, attacking the bishop. Bishop has to play. He thinks that bishop h5 continuing his plan and create his pin who can play knight d4. So bishop h5 he thinks our opponent thinks that it's a very normal move, but now that it's a big blunder. Knight takes e5. Brilliant move. Sacking the queen or the knight. Now black thinks that the queen is free, but not free. After bishop takes f7 check, king has to play king e7 because this square is control. So king e7 and knight d5 checkmate. The knight controlling every square of the king. Bishop control, so that is checkmate. The trap is very famous for that. So now black see the trap that can go into him. So he thinks that knight takes e5 and then knight takes e4 and I win the knight. But no, after knight takes e5, we play queen takes h5, black play knight takes e4, thinks that he has a knight. But no, queen b5 check, double attack. Now king is check and attacking the knight. So black played c6, forcing move. So queen takes c4, and we have a very beautiful position with a pawn. That's it for this trap, and thank you for watching, and see you soon. Bye bye.